up, everybody? It's your buddy Preston, trying to get you some shots of some fireworks. This is over Middletown, Ohio. I'm in my backyard. The lights, can you see my finger? The lights right there that are blinking now because I'm waving my finger. There was a big fire there a few minutes ago, and we had to call 911, and the guys came and put it out, so that was exciting. From our vantage point here, we could see, we counted 19 different displays across the city. We're kind of high up on a ridge in my backyard. And as you go across the skyline, some of them you can only see partially. Looks like the south side of the city is dying down. Hope everybody's having a good 4th. There we go. We got some more going on over here. This is a very old phone, so sorry the quality isn't better. It's dying down a little bit. At its peak, it was pretty impressive. I don't know exactly how many miles we can see across, but just well, there you go, everybody. Looks like it's dying down. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, there's where the fire was. Every time I turn my camera, some more goes off over there. Fireworks over Middletown. I hope everybody has a safe 4th of July. Beautiful moon in the sky. Zoom out one more time. Still going on in the distance a little bit. The stuff closer to us is over, it looks like. There's a good shot. Let's go in a little bit. Alright, everybody, be good, have fun, and I will see you next time.